Good morning. Time delay using register pan. Using register the maximum data FF, we can get the time delay for 1.7885 millisecond. Okay, this time delay is not sufficient. Now to increase the time delay, for that we can use, instead of register, we can use the register pair. Register pair. What are the register pairs available in 8085 microprocessor? BC register pair, DE register pair and HL register pair. Here we can use BC LXI B, 2384H 2384H. Now the 2384 to load in B and C register pair, 84C register and 23 in B register. Now to decrement this value till 0, it will take how much time? It will take how much time to decrement the value from 2384 to 00. Now to calculate the time delay. Okay, first we have to decrement the BC register pair content. DCX B. DCX B means it will decrement 2383. Now to check whether it is 0 or not. This is for 16-bit. In microprocessor, there is no instruction for to check the 16-bit register pair content whether it is 0 or not. Okay, using JNZ, it will check only 8-bit register content. Now how to check whether the BC register pair content 0 or not? For that, to move any one register, either B register or C register data to A register. Suppose B register. The B register data to move A register, that is 23 to move A register, and C register 84. Now logically and logically O or A accumulated with C register. Logically or accumulated with the C register. Here logically or means the both register content. The both register content 0. Now accumulated results will be 0. Okay, if any one of the register content is 1, now accumulated will be 1. That is not 0. Now to check whether it is 0 flag set or reset. No 0 means jump to here again to decrement the BC register pair content till BC register pair content 0. Okay. Now to calculate the time delay, it will take how much time to decrement the 2384 to 00. Now the given clock frequency of the microprocessor, suppose 2 megahertz, and clock period T equal to 1 divided by F. Now T equal to 1 F 2 into 10 to the power of 6. Now to divide these two, we can get the 0.5 microsecond. This is the clock period. Okay. Next, to calculate the loop T states. To calculate the loop T state, first LXI B comma 2384H. This is for 3 byte instruction. This is for 3 byte instruction. Now this is for opcode. It require 4 T states. Opcode related to 8 bit, 4 T states and 16 bit data. 16 bit data it require 6 T states. Total 10 T states required. Total 10 T states required. And DCXB, now to decrement the BC register pair content. This is for only 1 byte instruction related to 16 bit. Okay, for opcode related to 16 bit it requires 6 T states. And move A comma B. Move A comma B means 1 byte instruction. 1 byte instruction only opcode related to 8 bit. It requires 4 T states. It requires 4 T states. ORAC. ORAC means logically or accumulated with the C register. This is also 1 byte instruction. Only opcode related to 8 bit. It requires 4 T states. And JNZ, the 16 bit address, jump to this address location if that condition satisfied. This is for 3 byte instruction. The first byte represent for opcode 4 T states and the 16 bit address 6 T states required. Total 10 T states required. 10 or 7 T states. Okay. Now to calculate the loop T states. First we have to calculate the loop T states. Loop T states. Now loop it required for between DCXB to JNZ. This is for loop. This loop, how many T states required? 6, 4, 4, 10. This is for 10, 20, 24 T states required for to execute the loop T states. Okay, 24 T states for loop T states. Now the formula TD, total time delay, equal to outside loop time delay plus loop time delay. First to calculate the Tn, now the formula Tn equal to time period into loop T states into n base 10. N base 10. Here time period 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 and loop T states 24 T states required and n base 10. N base 10 means 2384 H. This is for data in hexadecimal. Now the corresponding decimal value 2384 hexadecimal value and corresponding decimal value 9092. Now multiply all the three 0.5 10 to the power of minus 6 into 24 into 9092. It will get the result 0.109 second. This is for Tn. Okay. Next, to calculate the TO equal time period into outside loop T states, time period 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into outside loop T states. Outside means DCX to JN. This is for loop. Outside means only LXI B. It requires 10 T states. 10. Now to multiply this in 0.5 10 to the power of minus 6 into 10. It will get 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 second. That is TO equal to 5 microsecond. Now TO value and TL value substitute here. TD equal TO plus TL. TO value 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 plus TL value 0.109 second. 109. Now to add these two, we can get the result 0.109005 second. Now TD, total time delay, equal around 0.1 second time delay required for to decrement the data 2384 to 00. It will take for 0.1 second when time period 0.5 seconds. Okay. Now this time delay is not sufficient. This time delay is not sufficient. Now to increase the time delay, there are two ways. Either to increase the microprocessor frequency instead of 2 megahertz to 3 megahertz, or second one to increase the 16-bit data instead of 23842. What will be the maximum data for register per FFFFH? Okay, there are two ways we can increase the time delay. Either to increase the microprocessor clock frequency instead of 2 megahertz to 3 megahertz, or to increase the count value 2384 to FFFFH. Okay. Now to increase the data FFFFH. This is the maximum data in register plan 00002 maximum value FFFFH. But microprocessor clock frequency same 2 megahertz and time period 0.5 microsecond. Now to calculate the loop T states, same thing, loop T states between DCX B to JNZ. No change in the program, only change in the data. Now the loop T states, how many T states required? 6, 4, 10, 4, 14 and 14, 10, 24. The 24 T states required for loop. Now to calculate the formula Tn, Tn equal to time period into loop T states into n base 10. Here the time period 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6, loop T states 24 into n base 10, FFFFHN hexadecimal. Now to corresponding decimal value 65,535. Now multiply 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 24 into 65,535. You can get the result 0.786 second for TL loop time period. We can get the 0.786 second. Next TO same thing, time period into outside loop T states require 10, 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 10. We can get the 5 microseconds. Now to calculate the total time delay, TD equal TO plus TL. TO value 5 microsecond, 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6 plus TL value 0.786. Now add these two, 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. You can get the result 0.7864 TD. This is for second. This is for seconds. Or approximately TD equal to 0.8 seconds. This is the maximum time delay for using register pan. The data will be maximum F. We can get the maximum time delay for 0.8 microsecond when the microprocessor frequency 2 megahertz. If you want to increase the time delay more, okay, the same program we can call number of times. We can use one more register into 0.8. Now the time delay will be increased. Okay, any doubt? No. Thank you.